WordPress 7 is shipping with AI features built in. And we've all been waiting for this the whole time. No more generating summaries in ChatGPT and pasting them into the WordPress anymore. You can now generate titles, excerpts, alt text, even images directly from the WordPress admin panel. Today in this video, we'll be testing out these features and see how they actually work. So let's dive right in. You're probably wondering how I'm testing this before it's even released. Well, I have created a WordPress site on the nightly version using InstaWP. Just with a few clicks, you can get a fully functional site ready in no time. Now I'm using the magic login to access admin of the site. Next, set up the AI connectors. Go to Settings, AI connectors. You'll see three options here: Anthropic, Google, and OpenAI. Drop in your API keys for whichever AI provider you want to use. All your keys live in a single place. Everything's under one roof. That makes using multiple AI tools incredibly easy. Enter the API keys and save them. Now the AI Experiments plugin is what actually gives you access to all these AI features in WordPress 7.0. Just install it from the connectors section. Once that's done, we need to configure the experiments we want to run. I'm in the AI experiment settings right now, and here's what you get: title generation, excerpt generation, alt text, image generation. For testing, I'm enabling all of them. You can toggle these on or off based on what you actually need. Now let's test the WordPress 7.0 AI features. So I've got a post here with the title WordPress 7.0 AI features, and just above the title you can see the regenerate option. Clicking on it gives us three different options. You can choose any of these. I like this one, let me select it, and that's it. Title's updated. You keep getting fresh suggestions. You can pick the one you like, or you can regenerate again if you want to. Next up is the AI image generation. You can directly generate the header images in WordPress 7.0 by simply clicking on Generate Featured Image option right from the editor. WordPress 7.0 not only generates the images, but it also adds the images directly to your media library. And notice the alt text, image title, and image description are already there. And if you are not happy with the alt text, hit Regenerate Alt Text option and it rewrites it instantly. Once you are happy, click Set Featured Image and it's done. Well, that's two things handled in a single flow: image generation as well as the alt text. Alt text is one of those tasks which is repetitive, often skipped, and critical for accessibility. The AI in WordPress 7.0 removes the friction entirely. Well, you can now let AI generate the excerpt of the blog. Click Generate Excerpt. It summarizes the post. This is where AI genuinely earns its keep. And if you don't like the excerpt, you can click on Regenerate option and it does it instantly. It's a tool, not a replacement. It solves the blank page problem. Next up in WordPress 7 AI features is the AI generated content summary. Let me click on Generate Summary. It creates a summary and places it right at the top of your post. You get a crisp summary right there, and if you don't like it, you can either manually edit it or just hit Regenerate and let the AI take another shot at it. So in WordPress 7.0, you can now get the AI generated review notes. The idea seems to be powerful. The AI scans your headings, paragraphs, and the overall structure and attaches these suggestions directly to the relevant blocks for accessibility, readability, grammar, and SEO. So let's try it. Let me click on Generate Review Notes. As you can see, the AI has specifically pinpointed the issues directly to each block. Grammar corrections, SEO improvements, readability fixes, and accessibility notes. You can accept, edit, or ignore them as needed. So So here's my take on WordPress 7.0 AI features. Title suggestions, excerpts and content summaries, they really are good features. They give you a solid starting point which actually saves you time. Here's the biggest win that nobody's talking about: the centralized API management. You can access all your API keys in a single place. That's really smart architecture. WordPress 7's AI might not be game changing, but it's pragmatic. It fills gaps in the workflow where they actually exist. If you want to try these features yourself, spin up a WordPress 7.0 site on InstaWP. It just takes seconds. Hit that subscribe button for more such videos, and I'll see you in the next one.